In this video, let's understand what is polarized politics. Polarized politics describes a situation where society is deeply divided along ideological or identity lines, often manifesting as two opposing camps with little to no middle ground. This division can be based on factors like religion, ethnicity, political ideology, or socio-economic status. In such environments, compromise and collaboration become difficult with each side demonizing and distrusting the other. Let's see the impacts of polarization. When compromise is stifled, progress on crucial issues can stall. Governments may struggle to pass legislation, leading to frustration and a sense of powerlessness among citizens. Deepening divisions can fuel animosity and conflict between groups, potentially leading to social unrest and even violence. When political discourse becomes toxic and partisan, public trust in institutions like the government, media, and judiciary can erode, further weakening the social fabric. Let's see what are the solutions that can be brought to reduce the polarization. Encouraging respectful communication and active listening across divides, fostering empathy and understanding of different perspectives, combating misinformation and disinformation circulated by partisan sources, empowering citizens to critically evaluate information, upholding the independence and impartiality of democratic institutions, ensuring they remain neutral arbiters and uphold the rule of law. Considering reforms to incentivize moderate and collaborative politics, such as ranked choice voting or proportional representation, identifying shared values and goals, working on issues where consensus exists, and building trust through collaboration on smaller projects. Here are a few additional pointers. The cause of political polarization are complex and multifaceted, often tied to historical, social, and economic factors. There is no one size fits all solution, and successful approaches will vary depending on the specific context of each nation or society. Addressing polarization requires sustained effort from individuals, institutions, and civil society organizations working together to bridge divides and rebuild trust.